So this is it again. They've started tear gassing us again. Wike sent Nigerian police, Nigerian army, and everybody to kill us in our own land. That's the tear gas. That's Wike. So I am IYC National Secretary General. My name is Mobi Enangio, but they've started again. Since morning, look at tear gas. So they will kill us today. Yeah. Two things. What happened here is very. Look at. You people should look at the place. We arrived our venue and they said Wike's program would hold and our own will not hold. That is the problem. Nigerian Army, Nigerian Police, Nigerian Air Force, Nigerian Navy, all of them, Joint Task Force. They are here, sent by the President on behalf of Wike in our own land, Ijo land. This is what is going on. Look at it. That's what is going on. Look at them. We have nothing against them. We have two venues. The king of Abalama community said we should all stay away. Now, Judge Kelly and his group still went ahead and said they will still hold. They've been shooting at us. Now, because they've seen you. So that's it. That's what is going on. That is what is going on. No, you guys have been shooting at us. You've been shooting at us since. I've been injured. Three of our people. No, I'm not listening. Those ladies that are almost dead. 3 ladies are almost dead. All because of Yesom Wike. Those 3 ladies are almost dead. What are we listening? You are shooting. You are killing us. 3 ladies. We're not waiting. We're not waiting. Let them kill us. Shoot at us. No problem. Kill us. No, Oga shoot me. Oga shoot me. You go shoot me. You go shoot me. Shoot me. Shoot me. You go shoot me. Oh. All of them now will shoot me finish. 3 of our ladies are already hospitalized. We didn't come here with anything. We're not killing anybody. This is our land. It's Calabari land. And we want to have our IYC program peacefully. You brought armored tankers to begin to shoot at us. Why? Look at the police. Look at now. This is Wike's program. They are all going. You can see them. You can see them, and they are stopping us from not going there. We're not violent people. Look at them. One of them is threatening. They've injured me before. 3 of our ladies are already, hospitalized here in Degema. So they'll kill us. They'll kill us. That's the point. They'll kill us. That's it. Because of Yesom Wike, Tinubu kill me or go shoot. Kill me. Now what for you? Kill me, shoot me. Shoot me.
I came here.
Look at your man is threatening me. Why is he threatening me? Why they threatening me? If they shoot me, they don't shoot. It's my land. I'm a Calabari man. This is my land. You want to kill me? Go back. So kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Because we don't go die for now. We don't go die. What did happen? We don't go die. We are Calabari people. We are Ijo people. Why can't I have my program in my community? Because of Wike. Because of Wike. Why? Tinubu. Why? We don't agree. I don't agree. Okay, go shoot. You the threatened person. Nobody used to be handle gun. Nobody only the handle gun for this life. Why you video you? Why don't go video them? I don't use guns. Why police they hold us? Are we carrying guns? Am I carrying anything? Look at me. I carry gun. Why they stop me? Why you guys stopping me from accessing my community Abalama? Why? But are they threatening me? They shoot everywhere. Kill me. Kill me. Yes, if the video means I will video you too. Let them come. We'll go there where they kill us. When I come, we'll go where they kill us today. Everybody come. What did happen? What did happen? What did happen? Oh God, no be the handle gun. Shoot me now. Shoot me. This is your gun. You dey threaten me. On the number they go fit. Okay, Baba now. Ni Madam Burno. Ni Madam Burno ne. Wallahi ba. Hey, come on. So the fam. Nothing will happen. We get 2 programs. The king don't write say make we no hold our own. Make themselves no hold their own. Why Ogas you find like this and go come tell you say make you kill the people when get the land? On a day they shoot us since morning on a they shoot us. Why? We know they quarrel. We divide they shoot me since. They shoot me since. They shoot me since. You don't scare all the women. We come to do IYC. Why? All the young men. See, this police, now to kill us today. Make we know say George Kelly come. Now look at what happened here. Before we came this morning, the Nigerian army that is supposed to protect this place removed all the governor's signposts. We came this morning to restore the governor's signposts. The Nigerian army that is supposed to stay here to help us refused us to do that. Look at it, they changed everything. Why? 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 Allow us hold our program. Then they kill us. 5 men where see people were supposed to protect lives and property. Now that's the family. Are you from there? I'm a Calabari man. Nobody's so Calabari than me. We don't have anything with you. You've been threatening us. You've been shooting. You've injured 3 men. We want to pass it. This is our land. Why? One man, I am the first minister for Nigeria. When they kill people, who will not go die for this world? You don't follow. We're not mad people. We have no, you can take all my telegraph. It's not a problem. Put him on camera as well. So, no, video me. It's not a problem. I'm not a criminal. I am a Calabari man. I'm the Secretary General of the Youth Council Worldwide, right? We have an IYC meeting today here in Abalama. The king of Abalama wrote and said, IYC, please don't hold your meeting. George Kelly and co, don't hold your program. Let us go. We came here only to find out that yesterday they've been going about putting up tents here and there and all that. They approached the chiefs, the kings, and said, what is going on? You stopped us, you stopped these guys, why are they not respecting? So we say, if you don't agree, we will not agree. That's how we went there. Now we got here, you guys were used, all of you, were used to bar us from entering our community.
Nobody tell you about them. Nobody will kill you. Nobody tell you about them.
Where is this going to kill you? Kill you what? Are we here to kill you? Are you here to kill you? Where is this? Why are you saying so?
Because you've been shooting at us. You've been shooting at us.
No, don't worry. You go shoot them.
Why? Nobody has the exclusive preserve of violence. You understand? Nobody has the exclusive preserve of violence. I have a program in Abalama. Let me kill me. Live here. Hello? Live here. Go in your bed. Sleep there. Because we can carry all the Nigerian army come here. You will kill me. Anywhere you want to go, you
If a German, if they like Delta, if they sound like Delta person.
When Wike will say Niger Deltans are useless people, if some people don't have sense, then they will not bring him here for what? Then who want to program, go stop the program. You say our life no sweet on.
Now because that's all.